Mimicry. In the wild, animals have to adapt to different tactics to stay safe from predators or hunt for food. One of those methods is known as mimicry. Animals that use mimicry rely on similar characteristics to mimic another species, either by tricking predators into thinking they are harmful, or by predators tricking prey into thinking they pose no threat. All these tactics have worked for many animals in the wild, but do you know which ones use them? Join us, as we look at a few animal species that use mimicry as a means to survive. For the first animal on our list that uses mimicry, the silver Argop. The silver Argop is an orb-weaver spider that can be found in the grasslands of tropical and subtropical regions of the Americas and in Trinidad. They can also be found on small islands in the Bahamas as well as other moist tropical-like areas. This magnificent spider uses its web to mimic different flower patterns when hunting for bees by creating webs with zigzags in the middle that can reflect ultraviolet light and appear like nectar guides. Since studies have shown bees can remember web patterns, these spiders always spin different patterns throughout the day. The next animal on our list. The mimic octopus. The mimic octopus is a smaller octopus, growing to a total length of about 2 feet, including arms, with a diameter approximately that of a pencil at their widest. Its habitat ranges from the Red Sea and Gulf of Oman in the west, to New Caledonia in the east, and Gulf of Thailand and the Philippines in the north, to the Great Barrier Reef in the south. As their name suggests, the mimic octopus uses mimicry as a lifestyle. They often act like other animals to confuse their predators by holding their bodies in different shapes. For example, they'll flatten themselves to look like a harmful stingray or move their arms around to look like venomous sea snakes. They have even been observed changing their color to mimic lionfish. Next up. The zone-tailed hawk. The zone-tailed hawk is a medium-sized hawk that resides in the warm, dry parts of the Americas. It is a fairly large but slender hawk, averaging 18 to 22 inches in length with a wingspan of approximately 46 to 55 inches. Although they are powerful predators, the zone-tailed hawk will mimic less threatening turkey vultures when hunting for prey. Most animals don't see vultures as a threat since they feed on weak or dead animals. So, to trick their prey into ignoring them, zone-tailed hawks will blend in with packs of vultures before a surprise attack to catch healthy animals. Up next. The gopher snake. The gopher snake is a subspecies of large non-venomous colobrid snake native to the western coast of North America. Adults range in size from 3 to 7 feet in total length. However, most of the subspecies reach a length of 4 to 5 feet. The hatchlings are relatively long, and they have been recorded at lengths upward of 20 inches. Gopher snakes are generally harmless, so they often shake their tail to mimic a venomous rattlesnake to confuse predators. Both animals look similar enough, with dark markings on their backs and brownish-yellowish large heads. However, unlike rattlesnakes that strike with their mouths open, gopher snakes strike with closed mouths and use their blunt nose to attack animals they see as threats. The next animal on our list. The dead leaf mantis. The dead leaf mantis is a common name given to various species of praying mantis that mimic dead leaves. These fascinating insects measure between 2.5 to 3 inches in length, and are native to the tropical rainforests of Southeast Asia. These predatory insects have evolved specialized features that enable them to blend seamlessly into their environment. Their flattened body segments, complete with irregularly shaped edges and veined patterns, create an uncanny resemblance to deteriorating foliage. These mantids display unique hunting strategies, remaining motionless for extended periods while waiting to ambush unsuspecting prey. Their exceptional camouflage serves a dual purpose, concealing them from both potential predators and their targeted prey. For the final animal on our list. The alligator snapping turtle. The alligator snapping turtle is a large species of turtle in the family Calidridae. They are the largest freshwater turtle in North America, found primarily in the freshwaters of the southeastern United States. These massive turtles can grow from 32 to 40 inches in length and weigh about 155 to 200 pounds. Alligator snapping turtles are sneaky predators that lay at the bottom of rivers and lakes when hunting. With a rough, rocky appearance and algae growing on their backs, these turtles easily blend into river beds. They then open their mouth and stick out their thin pink tongue and wriggle it around. Their tongues look like worms to passing fish, but when a fish comes too close, the turtle snaps its jaws and captures the fish as food. So, what did you think of the mimicking animals on our list? Has anyone ever seen any of these? Let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching.